Morgan, it's a miss on the top and the bottom line for Tesla. We're going to start crunching the numbers within the numbers, but let me give you the top and the bottom line. First of all, bottom line, they earned 45 cents a share in the first quarter. The street was expecting 51 cents a share, so a miss by 6 cents a share. Revenue coming in at $21.03 billion, light of estimates, which were at $22.15 billion. So, and the top and the bottom line, you've got a miss there. And then one other note regarding guidance on deliveries for 2024. We were looking for a number. We have not come across one yet, except for language similar to what we heard in the fourth quarter, that they expect notably lower deliveries this year, 2024, compared to 2023. What does that mean in terms of the specifics? Haven't come across that yet, guys. But again, you have a miss on the top and the bottom line for Tesla. We're going to dive into the numbers, look at things like automotive gross margins, excluding credits, et cetera, and we'll have that for you in just a bit.
So I hate to ask a question, Phil, that has no answer that a reporter can give. But have you seen anything in this report yet that would explain why the stock spiked up almost, 8% initially? Now it's down around 3%. Maybe it's just algorithms out there or some initial anything?
Not yet. Not yet, John. Have not come across something. And there may be something within these numbers that when you start crunching them and going through it and you say, okay, not as bad as we were expecting. Or when you look at the energy storage business, maybe there's some indication of some news in there that will give people some optimism here. But nothing at this point that you can hang your hat on and say, well, that's exactly why the stock has moved higher.
Okay. Well, we know we got 31 pages in this report to go through. So, Phil, we'll let you get back to it. In the meantime, just taking a look, even at page 1 here, John, I mean, they're talking about increased AI training compute by more than 130% in Q1, record energy storage deployment, produced over 1,000 Cybertrucks. We don't really talk very much about Cybertrucks in a single week in April, and talking again about the fact that the future is not only electric, but quote unquote also autonomous, perhaps teasing ahead to that robotaxi announcement we get in August.
Yeah.
I know. You're very skeptical about this.
I'm just saying be careful out there. It's a stock that's being watched very closely. It was initially up like 8, then it was just down around 2.5 a bit. Now it's up at 4. It's going to be a long afternoon for those trading tests.